NEA Big Read is a program of the National Endowment for the Arts in partnership with Arts Midwest. Local sponsorship is provided by the Muskogee County Friends of Libraries.
Hi, I'm Quinn from the South Columbus Public Library, and today I'm going to be bringing you a special quarantine kitchen. This is going to be Greek pizza, and it's inspired by Circe by Madeline Miller, which is our Big Read book of the year. So first, we're going to start with our pizza dough, and we're going to break it out, and we're going to roll it out. Now that we have our dough rolled out, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cook it a little bit for about 5 minutes while I chop up the ingredients. That way it won't overcook. Now we're going to chop up some ingredients. We're going to start with this red onion. Now I'm going to cut the pepper. Now that I've let the dough cook a little bit, I'm going to top it off with a little bit of olive oil. And now we can start putting our toppings on. I'm going to start with a little feta cheese. Next, I'm going to do some red onions. Now some red peppers. Next, a little garlic. Now I'm going to top it with some spinach. Some olives. And we're going to finish by topping it with a little more feta. And now we're going to cook our pizzas. We're going to cook them at 500 for about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll check in on them and see how they're doing. Alright, and this is how our Greek pizza turned out. Looks delicious, smells even better. And once again, this was a special quarantine kitchen. Make sure you go out and get Circe by Madeline Miller and join us for the Big Read. Thanks, I'll see you next time.